In this video, I'm gonna be showing you 5 mistakes that new beginners make. Stay around. At the end of this video, you're going to know what you can do so that your channel moves. This is Wizzy Labs. We teach tips and strategies on how you can grow on YouTube. So stick around. At the end of this video, you're going to be knowing what to do. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. Tap the notification bell so you get notified when you put new videos. Let's dive into this video. Many beginners do this mistake of uploading using the YouTube app. Don't upload using the YouTube app. I'm gonna be showing you how you can upload the right way. First of all, you need to upload using YouTube Studio, the one for web. Not the YouTube Studio app, but the YouTube Studio, the one for web. The one we get when we are on a laptop or PC. I'm gonna be showing you step by step on how you can upload using YouTube Studio. If you don't have a laptop or PC, I'm gonna be showing you how you can access the YouTube Web Studio using your phone. First of all, you're going to go in Safari. And type studio.youtube. Studio.youtube. After typing studio.youtube, they're going to bring this page. Don't tap on get the app, but tap on continue to studio. They're going to bring this page. Always and always upload using this YouTube Studio Web, because if you use the YouTube app, there are some features that you're not going to turn on when uploading your videos. There are some features that you cannot turn on while using the YouTube app. But when you use the YouTube Studio Web, there are some features that you need to turn on, and they are only found in YouTube Studio Web. So don't upload using YouTube app. The second mistake that beginners do is to upload the video straight to public. Don't upload your video straight to public. Always upload your video to unlisted, private, or scheduling to give YouTube time to read and process your video. But most beginners always upload their video to public. This is killing your channel. That's why you're seeing you're not getting views. Always upload your video to unlisted, private, or schedule them. Another mistake that new beginners make, they delete video. Never and never delete any video on your channel. This is killing your channel and can lead your channel to be flagged by YouTube. It can lead your channel to be flagged by YouTube. Don't delete video on your account. Some people, when they see their video not moving, they delete it and they put it again. This one is killing your channel. It's going to make your channel flagged. YouTube is going to regard it as spam. Don't delete your video. If you want to re-upload your video, put this one in private and re-upload it again. But never delete your video. This is killing your channel. Another mistake that YouTubers make is sharing links to people. Don't share links to people. Leave YouTube to do its job to look for viewers for you. Don't share links to people to come and watch your videos. Because when you share those links to those people, when they come and watch, they will not come back and watch because they are not interested in your content. Leave YouTube to recommend the video to the right people. But when you share links, those people are going to come. They are going to watch, right? But they will not come back and watch. They will not be coming back and watch because they are not interested in your videos. It is you who has sent the links to them. So don't share links. The last mistake that people do, and they think it is normal, is changing titles and thumbnails. Changing titles and thumbnails is not good. It can lead to your channel to be flagged. Don't change titles and thumbnails, because if you do, YouTube will flag your channel. Always prepare your title and thumbnail before uploading the video. in that when you upload, you put the right title and the right thumbnail. But when you keep changing, YouTube will regard it as spam and your channel may get flagged. This is Wizzy Love. We teach tips and strategies on how to grow on YouTube. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. Tap the notification bell so you get notified when we put new videos.